Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Is this the year of the Google Pixel? Has it finally arrived? The Google Pixel 8 is going to rule them all? Like the One Ring? I don't think there's like a one smartphone to rule them all. Well, some would argue that's the iPhone, and others would argue that the Google Pixel is the Android answer to the iPhone. I don't know if I'd go as far as to say that. There really is only one iPhone, and by and large, there really is only one Google Pixel. It is a viable smartphone and has been for quite some time, though I would go as far as to say that the Google Pixel software has not been a fantastic experience in recent generations. Shrug emoji. Blob shrug emoji. Some people are missing the blobs on Android. I don't know if the Google Pixel is interesting to you. Is this something you're going to be upgrading if you have a Google Pixel now? Is it something you're interested in switching to? What would be the thing that would get you to switch to a Google Pixel? You might think, better hardware. I don't know if that's going to happen because remember, Google Pixel's by and large been a software story more so than a hardware story. I'm actually using the Google Pixel right now. I've got it running through Reincubate Camo behind me. You can see it. It's pointed down at my 3D printer. If you can hear the fan going right now as I'm printing the first few layers. That's a part of the live.pirillo.com experience, streaming on Twitch 24/7. So I'm using the Google Pixel. I may upgrade. I mean, if it's a better camera and I'm using the camera, I will. Just like I'll upgrade the iPhone. I'm using the iPhone over here, continuity camera connected to the Mac. That runs that webcam. Best webcam you could ever have, by the way, is a smartphone, whether it's Android or iOS. So I'm possibly going to be upgrading and selling the previous gen, the Pixel 7 Pro. To recoup the cost is a great way of kind of rolling things over. But I also like looking at these new products, especially if they're ones that I happen to use on a daily basis, even if I don't happen to use them as a traditional smartphone. But am I the only one that's holding on to the Google Pixel? Are you too? Will you?